30 daily used word meanings. First is dos. Dos means charpai. Second is roof. Roof means chat. Third is dung. Dung means gobar. Fourth is thread. Thread means dhaga. Fifth is pit. Pit means gadha. Sixth is mud. Mud means कीचड़. Next is slippers. Slippers means chappal. Next is glad. Glad means खुश या प्रसन्न. Merry. Merry means हसमुख. Tiny.
बहुत छोटा.
11th one is emperor. Emperor means सम्राट. Next 11th is donate. Donate means दान करना. 13th is borrow. Borrow means उधार लेना. Next is robbery. Robbery means डकैती डालना, डकैती. 15th is murder. Murder means हत्या. 16th one is crime. Crime means अपराध. 17th is fraud. Fraud means धोखा. Next is slavery. Slavery means गुलामी. Next is boycott. Boycott means बहिष्कार करना. Then is bride. Bride means दुल्हन. Next is groom. Groom means दूल्हा. Next is tradition. Tradition means परंपरा. Then farewell. विदाई. Then bitter. Bitter means कड़वा. Then sweet. Sweet means मीठा. Sour. Sour means खट्टा. Then spicy. Spicy means मसालेदार. Then delicious. Delicious means स्वादिष्ट. Depth. Depth means गहराई. And the last one is softness. Softness means कोमलता.